Communication in the workplace is perhaps one of the most complex, abused, and misunderstood concepts in the world of business. Yet it's the lifeblood of any successful business or organization. For example, many business managers, supervisors find it rather challenging to effectively communicate their vision, their ideas, or expectations to those working under their leadership, and in many cases, an inability to effectively communicate solutions to customer problems and the benefit of those solutions. Why is this, and where does it come from? For starters, it's due to a lack of training, experience, or emphasis placed on how critical effective communication is in the workplace. The reason you should have a no-nonsense approach to managing your business environment.